20 helpful tips for fitness and nutrition. Revamp your health. Welcome to Revamp Your Health. 20 smart strategies for ultimate fitness and nutrition. Your go-to guide for elevating your wellness game. Each strategy is a key to unlocking a healthier, more energetic you. 1. Hydration is key. Keep your body's engine running smoothly with ample water intake. 2. Savor. Each sip. Enjoy your beverages mindfully to enhance absorption and digestion. 3. Healthy pantry. Makeover. Fill your fridge with nutritious options for better food choices. 4. Soothe sore muscles. Learn effective ways to ease muscle pain post-workout. 5. Tame the sugar dragon. Find balance and reduce sugar cravings with smarter snacking. 6. Step in comfort. Invest in quality sneakers for a pain-free exercise experience. 7. Portion control. Monitor your meal sizes to maintain a balanced diet. 8. Strategic run planning. Schedule your jogs to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. 9. Prep for success. Equip yourself with the right gear and mindset for every run. 10. Calorie flexibility. Don't fret over occasional indulgences. Focus on overall balance. 11. Flavorful heat. Boost your metabolism by adding a little spice to your meals. 12. Exercise evolution. Recognize when it's time to switch up your workout routine. 13. Footwear rotation. Change your shoes regularly to prevent injury and improve performance. 14. Supportive gear. Select a sports bra that offers both comfort and support. 15. Energize your exercise. Fuel your body with the right nutrients for optimal fitness. 16. Peer pressure. Detox. Stand firm in your health choices regardless of others' opinions. 17. Sun defense. Protect your skin during outdoor activities with a strong sunscreen. 18. Smart snacking. Choose nutritious snacks and fast food alternatives for a health boost. 19. Shop no more. Guard against skin irritation with proper attire and products. 20. Mindful movement. Incorporate mindfulness into your fitness routine for a holistic approach. With these 20 smart strategies, you're all set to revamp your health and embrace a lifestyle of fitness and nutrition. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Start implementing these tips today and feel the difference.